awesome resellers. Today I just wanted to do a what sold video and give you some tips and tricks on how to sell on Poshmark as well as eBay during the pandemic. I know things are slow, but there are some things I've been doing to get some sales. So the first thing I did is I sold this dress on Poshmark, and it retails for $69.90 and it was purchased for $12, and then I sold it for I believe like $40. And what I do is I offer free shipping plus like 10% discount, which gives me a very small return on investment. It might not be 3 times like normal, but maybe like anywhere from $5 to $20, which is still a little bit better than nothing, because right now we can't be too picky with the sales. This pants I also have extra small, and I sold this, and this was pictured in a blogger's favorite with an Instagram blogger's favorite person, so that's why it sold for really well. What I've been doing is getting a lot of bundle sales and taking lower offers. So this was a bundle sale. It was this dress with these pants with this top. So bundle sales, you get a big bundle on Poshmark and make them an offer, and when you make them a really good offer, then they'll be willing to take those sales. And it's just something to get rid of some of your inventory, but also to make sales. So make sure that you give a very enticing offer for those bundle sales during this time, so that you could make sure that you could get the analytics still flowing and that you're getting the sales going. So this is also another bundle sale. So this was worn by a fashion blogger, this blue denim dress, and then also this beautiful skirt, which was purchased 2 seasons ago. So these items are not available in the store because they were purchased 2 seasons ago. So I'm able to sell these items for a good profit because nobody else has these items. I sold this skirt. So another thing you want to do is you want to do multi-platform selling. So I have my items on Poshmark, eBay, and Tradesy, and Vestiaire, and Depop, and this one sold on Tradesy. So another tip is to be on multiple platforms while you're selling these items, so that you could have more exposures, and some platforms have more sales than others. This one I sold on Poshmark, and I purchased this H&M like 2 seasons ago, so obviously nobody has them right now. And then I have multiple, so you want to make sure that you have a lot of inventory. So I have another extra small if anybody's interested. And see, I just promoted this pants, and you see that I also promote things on Instagram as well as YouTube as well as Facebook. So it's all about free marketing and just promoting. These pants I sold on Poshmark, and I sold them very cheap. I sold them for $30, but guess what? I paid $7.99 for them. So you want to make sure that you get you don't want to sell things at a loss, but you still want to get some profit. I sold this dress on Poshmark as well, and it's extra large, and it was a beautiful tiger skirt. And this dress also, this top was also sold on Poshmark, and the reason that they were able to be sold really fast is because they were worn by many fashion bloggers, and fashion bloggers are pretty much creating the craze for what sells these days more than even marketing companies. So you want to make sure that you research trends, that you're on multiple platforms, that you're offering competitive discounts, and you're on all the platforms to keep your sales going. So I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, I have a Facebook reselling group. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.